Ever wonder what makes the difference between a billionaire and a broke person? It's not just luck, it's their daily habits. Let's compare how they spend a single day. Morning routine, billionaire versus broke person. Billionaire wakes up at 5 a.m., makes his bed, meditates, and reads a book. His phone is nowhere in sight. Broke wakes up at 10 a.m., snoozes his alarm 5 times, grabs his phone, and scrolls through social media for an hour. Successful people start their day with purpose. The broke mindset stays stuck in distractions. Breakfast health versus junk. Billionaire eats a healthy meal, drinks water, and hits the gym. Broke grabs a sugary donut, skips exercise, and watches TV. Your body fuels your mind. Billionaires invest in themselves first. Work and money habits. Billionaire spends the morning building businesses, making investments and learning new skills. His money works for him. Broke works a 9-to-5 job, complains about life, and spends hours daydreaming about getting rich. The rich create income streams. The broke exchange time for money, forever stuck in the cycle. Afternoon spending versus investing. Billionaire uses lunch breaks to network with successful people, brainstorm new ideas, or study financial strategies. Broke buys expensive things he can't afford, eats out every day, and wonders why he's always broke. Billionaires invest. The broke spend without thinking. Evening growth versus entertainment. Billionaire reads, reflects on his goals and plans for the next day. Broke spends hours binge-watching Netflix, scrolling TikTok, and doing nothing productive. What you do before bed decides where you'll be in 5 years. The long-term results. Billionaire over time builds financial freedom, passive income, and success. Broke stays in debt, stress, and struggle. The difference isn't luck, it's daily choices. Which path will you take? Subscribe for more success lessons.